welcome back to the episode of Exploring Lake Gaston with the P Hill team. Those of you guys that have been following our series, just want to say thanks for coming back and joining us for the January episode. To y'all that are new, if you haven't watched any of our episodes yet, just want to do a quick introduction of the P Hill team. My name is Sarah, this is Dad Doug,
hey,
and this is Mom Tina, and this is little sister Joy.
Hi.
We are the P Hill team. We work here on Lake Gaston. We work out of the Cole Banker Advantage Lake Gaston office. We just love Lake Gaston. We love sharing it with people. Hence this series and exploring Lake Gaston with us. We're just going around checking out some different spots. Last month we checked out Wildwood Nursery and Garden Center. It was a lot of fun. We got our Christmas tree. If you didn't see the episode, I'll put the link to that video in the description below, so you guys can check it out later.
Yeah.
This month, since it's still a little too cold to jump in the water, we're going to head over to the club and we're going to do some bowling. So Dad, can you tell us a little more about the club?
Yeah, so about a year ago, the club, the Lake Gaston Resort, opened the Family Fun and Fitness Center, and they've got a bowling alley, of course. We're going to do some bowling today. It's been a long time, but I'm going to try it out. And they also have an arcade, a shuffleboard room, swimming pool, indoor, outdoor, a beach area, some other things. So lots of cool stuff over there. Great place to check out when you're on Lake Gaston, when you're here living full-time, visiting, vacationing, whatever. They actually offer annual memberships as well as just day use and individual events. So we're gonna do some bowling. We're gonna put their website link on the bottom down below this video. Check it out.
So super excited to go bowl, and we're pretty sure that Joyce, the youngest in our field, is probably going to show us all that. It's going to be lots of fun.
No doubt.
So come on and join us.
All right, we'll see you there. Let's go. Who's excited to go bowling?
Yeah!
Hi. All right, let's go. First one. Good job, Mama. That's better.
Whoa, nice save. So Sarah, talk to me about your strategy with this split.
My strategy is to hit at least one.
Got it.
Strategy.
Let's see if it works.
Let's do that. Good job, Mom.
Strike.
Well, that's what a strike feels like, and I feel like that every time.
Hit the head.
Nice bear.
Clean them up.
Nice bear. Show the moves, Joy. Show the moves. Woo! Your turn. Show the moves, Dad. Show the moves. Go for Dad. Final round. No strike yet.
That thing makes me nervous. Okay, clean it up. Little cleanup here. Little cleanup, couple pins.
Pretty good. Oh my word, they tied. That is hilarious.
Go, 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 go. They're gonna turn on you. They're gonna turn. Go get them. I didn't want to be there.
Wow.
Come on, come on, come on. Go around and get it.
Nice. Go, Joy, go. Oh, man. The only game where you could run face into a tree and not die.
Keyboard players playing on different tracks, as well as jazz luminaries, Ron Carter, Michael Brecker.
Thanks for joining us for this month's episode here at the club at Lake Gaston Resort. Like I said earlier, there's going to be a link to their website in the description down below, so y'all can head over and check out their website and see what else they have here to do. And I hope to see you guys in next month's episode. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon.